In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for algebra and math with a real-world example. Whether you're a student looking to understand complex problems or just someone curious about AI's capabilities in solving math, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to Google. Once there, in the search bar, simply type ChatGPT and hit enter. Doing this will bring up a list of search results, and you'll want to click on the link that leads you directly to the ChatGPT website. This is where all the magic happens. Visiting the official page ensures you are using ChatGPT in a secure and reliable environment. Now that you're on the ChatGPT website, it's time to get started with your problem-solving journey. In the input area provided on the site, try typing a prompt. For our tutorial today, we'll use a simple yet effective prompt. Act as an experienced high school algebra teacher. This sets the stage for a more educational interaction, guiding ChatGPT to tailor its responses accordingly. After you've entered your prompt, click on the Submit button. This will initialize the conversation, allowing ChatGPT to prepare its responses. You'll notice that the AI is quick to reply, setting an interactive tone while waiting for your input. Next, you'll want to use the search bar to type out your specific algebra problem. Think of this as your digital classroom where the AI assists you just like a teacher would. As an example, you could use the prompt, Sarah earns 0.015 per view. Alex pays a $50 monthly fee but earns $0.025 per view. I want to find the number of views. Please set up the algebraic equation and then solve for v. Can you show your work and explain each step? This problem brings a real-world scenario into play, making the exercise feel relevant and applicable. Finally, after typing out your problem, hit the Submit button once more. ChatGPT will then generate a detailed response. It will set up the algebraic equation and walk you through each step, explaining the logic and calculations involved. This explanation helps clarify not only what the answers are, but also how one arrives at them. And that's it. You've successfully used ChatGPT to solve an algebra problem while gaining insight into the process. Feel free to explore other scenarios to further hone your math skills with the help of AI. For those of you delving into mathematical concepts, tools like ChatGPT can serve as a valuable aid, making learning both fun and interactive. I hope you found this step-by-step guide useful, and I encourage you to give it a try. Until next time, happy learning!